Welcome, boys and girls. Today we're going to finish up our lessons on suffixes or inflectional endings. We saved suffix es for the last one today because there's a couple of things going on with this particular suffix. So when we add the suffix es to the end of a base word, it makes the sound of as. And we know that sometimes the s makes the z sound at the end of a word. The other thing that makes the suffix a little bit tricky is that the rule is we add the suffix on the end of words that have the digraph sh or ch at the end. They end in a z, an s, or an x. So we're going to take a look at a few examples to see how this suffix works at the end of words. So let's use the word bench. So I'm going to write the word bench, and I can hear that digraph ch at the end of bench. So if I wanted to change bench to benches, I would add my suffix es on to the end. It's not just a plain s, we get that sound in there a little bit when we have benches. Okay. Another digraph that we use the suffix es with is sh. So I have the word wish on my board. So if I want to change wish to wishes, I would add suffix es onto the end of that base word. If the word ends in x, we want to do the same thing. So if we had a word like fox, and we were going to change fox to foxes, we would add that suffix es because the word ends in the letter x. The last two examples are words that end in bonus letters. So let's take a word like buzz. So buzz has a bonus letter z. So if we were going to add just a plain s on the end of buzz, it would end up being a tongue twister because it would be kind of hard to figure out how to pronounce. So we add suffix es instead of just plain old suffix s, and we get buzzes, and it makes more sense and it's easier to say. Same thing with words that end in s. So if I take a word like kiss and I want to add the suffix to it, kiss becomes kisses. Again, we already have two s's on the end. The first s is making it sound, the second one is a bonus. And if we put a third s, it would be really confusing. So we add the es and kiss becomes kisses. And so that's how it works. Next, we're going to do our last two sections of Heggerty together. You guys do these really well. So we're going to do them together. So I'm going to model the first couple for you, and then I'll let you guys kind of take over. So we have our palms up. Okay. I'm going to tell you the ending. You're going to hear the beginning sound, and then we're going to put it together. So I have masher, add smasher. Reacher, you say reacher, add preacher. Itcher, you say itcher, add pitcher. Wisher, add swisher. Rusher, add rasher, add raider, add camper, add rapper, add robber, add throbber. Good. Next, palms up. I'm going to take away the beginning sound. You're going to tell me what's left. Rusher without usher. Brother without other. Blocker without blocker. Cleaner without flatter without creamer without groomer without snapper without shredder without screamer without creamer. And that's it. We're all done. All right. You guys have a good day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.